Palak, Sairam. Sairam Niyati, Ninansha. How many classes you already had today? Samriddhi, Sairam.
Sir, 2.
Sir, 2.
Two.
Sir,
And
two.
this is your third class today.
No, sir. Sir, this is first class.
So first class.
First class.
So you have two classes and this is first.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
I asked how many
Yes,
you
sir.
had. Okay, your time starts from this 11:10. है ना?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. So this is first class of the day. Good. What are we doing? That
Sir,
lesson?
Sir, chapter 10.
Sir, Stone Face Part 2.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
It was
sir.
not completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let us quickly complete it.
Some part are left.
Let me open that lesson on my screen. That day I saved it. Is it shared?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me how much to scroll. Which page we are on?
Sir, page number
Sir,
135.
131.
1 for 141.
141. Huh?
Sir, 135.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, second paragraph. The poet spoke sadly and his eyes were wet.
Yes, sir.
No, sir, it's already completed.
No, sir.
It's already completed.
No, sir, we have.
No, sir.
Yes, sir, we have to read from the poet spoke sadly.
Yes,
The
sir.
poet
Yes,
spoke
sir.
sadly.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. Let me read a little
Sir,
bit.
may I read?
Let me read a little bit and then I'll invite some of you to read.
Okay, sir.
Till now, what we have seen, the poet has arrived in the valley and poet has requested Ernest to let him stay in his cottage. He was staying with him. They had a discussion. And what he says is that his ideas do not correspond with his thoughts, means his life doesn't correspond with his ideas. And so he doesn't deserve to be the likeness of the stone face. This much we have already seen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
The poet spoke sadly and his eyes were wet with tears. So too were those of Ernest. ऐसी कौन सी बात हुई थी कि दोनों रोने लगे थे? Because Ernest was expecting in poet the likeness of stone face, and poet says that he doesn't deserve to be, he is not so kind, so good, and then he says that you are the pure seeker of what did he say? You are the pure seeker of good and true. ठीक है, तो why should a person, why should such a pure soul as you are hope to find some likeness to the stone face in me? है ना, आप जैसा प्योर सोल मेरे अंदर इस तरीके की लाइकनेस क्यों एक्सपेक्ट करता है? This is what he says, and then he has tears in his eyes. He started weeping. He was very sad, and to see this, Ernest also wept. At the hour of sunset, as had long been his custom, Ernest was to speak to a group of neighbors in the open air. What was his custom? मतलब जो रोज का उसका एक रूटीन था, उसकी एक आदत थी कि every evening he used to go out and talk to his neighbors, to the group of his neighbors. Every evening, this was his routine. That day also he goes out, but this time this poet was also with him. Together, he and the poet went to the meeting place, arm in arm. From there could be seen the great stone face. तो आज poet भी उसके साथ गया था. और जहाँ पे the place where they met, from there the stone face, the great stone face could be very clearly seen. Ernest threw a look of familiar kindness around upon his audience. He began to speak to the people what was in his heart and mind. So he speaks, he talks to the people, and that day also he started. His words had power. His words were very powerful because abhi this can be a question. This can be a question. ठीक है कि why do you think the Ernest's words had power or they were powerful? So the reason is this, because they agreed with his thoughts and his thoughts had reality and depth because they harmonized with the life which he had always lived. उसके जो thoughts थे वो उनमें reality थी, उनमें depth थी, और जो उसके thoughts थे वो exactly वैसे ही थे जैसी उसकी खुद की life थी. There was a harmony between his thoughts and his life, his actions in his life. Okay, so they corresponded. You know? Is this clear to everyone? This can be a question.
sir.
Mark it.
Yes, sir.
Underline this portion.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
ठीक है, it's an important thing. कहाँ गया? It was not mere breath that the preacher uttered. They were the words of life. वो जो बोलता था ना, वो ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ भी सिर्फ बोलता था जो मुंह में आया, जो with a breath उसके words निकल आए, ऐसा नहीं था. He meant what he said because whatever he spoke were the words of life. अभी ये भी हो सकता है कि whatever he said were the words of life. तो उसका भी रीजन वही है जो अभी हमने डिस्कस किया था. A life of good deeds and selfless love was melted into them. जो उसके वर्ड्स होते थे उनमें क्या मिला हुआ था, क्या मिक्स्ड था? उसके गुड डीड्स एंड सेल्फलेस लव. ही लव्ड एवरीबॉडी विदाउट एनी सेल्फिशनेस. उसने अपना कोई बेनिफिट देख के दूसरों के साथ वो अफेक्शनेट नहीं था. इट वॉज अ कंप्लीटली सेल्फलेस लव. और जो काम करता था ऑल वर गुड. The poet, as he listened, felt that the life and character of Ernest were a nobler strain of poetry than he had ever written. ये जो अर्नेस्ट की लाइफ थी वो लिंक बाय लिंक, डे बाय डे, ईयर बाय ईयर, स्टेप बाय स्टेप, एक्शन बाय एक्शन, इस तरीके से कनेक्टेड थी. उसमें इतनी नोबिलिटी थी, ठीक है, इतनी गुडनेस थी, इतनी काइंडनेस थी, इतनी वैल्यूज थी उसके अंदर, ठीक है, कि उतनी नोबल चीजें तो उसने कभी अपनी पोएट्री में भी नहीं लिखी थी. His ideas were very noble, but Ernest's life was even nobler than his noble ideas. Have you understood this?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
His eyes filled with tears, and he said to himself that never was there so worthy a sage as that mild, sweet, thoughtful
Sir,
face.
Raj is presenting something.
Sir, Raj is presenting.
तो राज
हाँ?
प्रेजेंट कर दिया तो सर आपकी
Sir, Raj, present his screen in your presentation.
So again, you have to present your screen.
Yes. Raj, if it was done by mistake, no problem. Take care of this thing next time. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. कहाँ थे हम? So what does poet
His
say?
eyes.
Actually, he thinks, he feels. What does the poet feel? And when he was feeling so, his eyes filled with tears. है ना? क्यों? And he said to himself that turn your mic off. Somebody's mic is on.
Sir Raj's mic is on. Sir Raj's mic is on.
तो मुझे क्या पता था टाइम का?
Mute your mic.
हाँ वो तो लग गई.
Turn your mics off. At a distance, but clearly to be seen, high up in the golden light of the setting sun, appeared the great stone face. Raj Valmik, turn your mic
तो
off.
उससे क्या कभी भी आ जाओ, उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है. भले ही लास्ट 5 मिनट में भी आना तब भी प्रेजेंट लग जाती है.
सुन लिया राज का प्लान सब लोगों ने?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कहाँ है राज?
Sir,
सर
उसने
आपने
मीटिंग
उसे मीटिंग से हटा दिया.
Left कर
I have
दी.
removed. I have removed.
You have removed it.
Yes. Have you heard his plan?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
He talked about
सर आ
attendance.
गया.
Yes, sir. It's a nice plan.
He was talking about attendance, that even if you join in the last 5 minutes, you will be marked as present.
Yes, sir.
So, beta, are you attending class just to be marked present?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
But the purpose of Raj coming to the class has been told by himself. That's unfair, है ना? That is injustice to us. हमारे साथ अन्याय है ये तो टीचर्स के साथ. So क्या दिख रहा था डिस्टेंस पे? High up in the golden light of the setting sun appeared the great stone face with white mists around it, like the white hairs around the brow of Ernest. मिस्ट था, शाम हो चुकी थी, है ना? तो मिस्ट हो गया था तो वो व्हाइट व्हाइट दिखता है दूर से.
Yes, sir.
व्हाइट क्लाउड, व्हाइट मास दिखाई दे रहा था.
Yes,
वो
sir.
कहाँ पे था? जो उसकी आईब्रोज है ना, उसके आसपास दिख रहा था. ठीक है. At that moment, Ernest's face took on an expression so grand that the poet was moved to throw his arms up and shout, "Behold, behold!" ध्यान दो, देखो क्या Ernest is himself the likeness of great stone face. जब वो वहां पे white, क्योंकि Ernest is now grown old, तो his hair is white now.
White.
ठीक है. तो जो
Yes,
वहां पे मिस्ट आ गया था स्टोन फेस के ऊपर, आईब्रो वाली प्लेस पे, तो वहां पे जब पोएट ने देखा तो उसे लगा, he realizes that it was exactly the same as Ernest's face. तो he started shouting, देखो भाई देखो, ध्यान दो इधर, that Ernest himself is the likeness of the great stone face. ये आपको यहाँ पे ये जो दिख रहा है, ये मिस्ट है पूरा यहाँ पे, इसके आईब्रोज के यहाँ पे, इधर बियर्ड के यहाँ पे, and it was quite very similar to the face of Ernest.
Yes,
This is
sir.
what this poet says.
Yes, sir.
Then all the people looked and saw that what the poet said was true. Everybody realizes this thing, that it is true. Ernest is the likeness. The prophecy was fulfilled. आखिर भविष्यवाणी आज सच हो गई. But Ernest, having finished what he had to say, took the poet's arm and walked slowly homeward, still hoping that some wiser and better man then himself would by and by appear, bearing a resemblance to the great stone face. अर्नेस्ट अभी भी इस चीज को रियलाइज नहीं करता है that he himself is the likeness. He was still expecting somebody else, really wise, even wiser than him and better than him, will come, who will have the resemblance to the stone face. This is what he thinks. So this is what shows the simplicity of Ernest. He was really kind. He never boasted. He never claimed to be the likeness. And when others proclaimed that he has the likeness, he still doesn't agree with that. So in the beginning, when I was asking the characteristics as you have gone through the story, so what do you think, what kind of a person Ernest was? So this shows who becomes the great person, who will be considered as really great, not those who express themselves as being great, but those who are actually good by heart, those who practice that kindness. What was said about him in the previous page? That his thoughts corresponded to his life. Whatever he said, he himself lived a life like that. He did not say anything that he himself did not do. तो हम अगर अच्छी बातें बोलते हैं और साथ में वही अच्छे काम भी करते हैं, then we are good. हम बातें अच्छी बोलते हैं लेकिन खुद अच्छे वो वाले काम नहीं करते हैं, then we are not. Your life, जैसे poet ने बताया, his ideas, his lines that he have written in the poetry were very good, but his life did not correspond. So he doesn't deserve to be the resemblance of stone face. But Ernest did, and he was so simple कि उसे खुद इस चीज के बारे में नहीं पता था. I hope you understood the story.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Nathaniel Hawthorne. So, what is true and what is not in these statements? Do you think this is true? Ernest's words reminded people of the wise old sayings.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is
True. Sir, true.
Total strangers from far away who visited Ernest in the valley found his face familiar.
No, sir.
No,
Sir,
sir.
false. False.
False.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The great stone face confirmed Ernest's view that the poet could be worthy of its likeness.
True. True.
Sir, true.
Ernest's view that the poet could be worthy of its likeness.
False,
no,
sir.
sir.
False.
False.
Sir, false.
Okay. When Ernest and the poet met, they respected and admired each other equally.
Sir, true.
True. True.
Okay, true. The poet, along with Ernest, addressed the inhabitants of the valley.
False, sir.
The false.
The false.
False, sir.
Yes, he did not address, but when he saw the stone face and he realized that there is resemblance, he proclaimed, he started telling this loudly to everyone. He declared this. So there he said, there he addressed everyone.
Yes, sir.
There he addressed. So you can say that along with poet, he was also addressing. हम कह सकते हैं, आपका आंसर गलत नहीं है. He did not address. वो जब अर्नेस्ट बात कर रहा था, he was not speaking. But उसने जैसे ही stone face की तरफ देखा था, at that time he started declaring or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
The poet realized that Ernest's thoughts were far nobler than his own verses.
Sir, true.
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 True, sir.
बिल्कुल
True, sir.
100%.
It's true.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. How was Ernest different from others in the valley? We have already discussed this thing in the beginning.
Yes, sir.
मैंने आपसे जब उसकी characteristic qualities पूछी थी,
Yes, sir.
तो वो सारे characteristic qualities हमें बता देते हैं that this is how he was different from other people in the valley. ठीक है. और दूसरी बात, when Gathergold came when Blood and Thunder came, everybody in the valley was convinced that they are the likeness, they are the resemblance. But it was Ernest who was not convinced. Right? So in this way also Ernest different from others. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Why did Ernest think the poet was like the stone face? ऐसा अर्नेस्ट ने क्यों सोचा था पहले?
Because sir, the thoughts written by the poet are, sir, like they're showing that the poet is like are like the great stone face.
When he read the poetry written by him, he was very impressed with his ideas. He found that his ideas were very noble, and a person who has such noble ideas must be very kind, very good, and he must be similar to the stone face. This is what Ernest thought about poet. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What did the poet himself say about his thoughts and poems? हमने अभी देखा था. He says that his life doesn't correspond with his
Thoughts.
thoughts. है ना? What made the poet proclaim Ernest was the stone face? It is given in the last paragraph. When he saw in the golden light of the setting sun, when he saw the stone face, which was covered with the mist because it was evening, that mist has accumulated near the place where his brows are and where his mustache or beard was. So from a distance, it looked like it looked like Ernest, and so he proclaimed. Okay, it is given in the last paragraph, clearly given here. Not last, this paragraph here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Write
sir.
Ernest or poet against each statement below. There was a gap between his life and his words. Ernest or poet?
Poet.
A poet, sir.
Poet.
A poet.
His words, okay. His words had the power of truth as they agreed with his thoughts.
Honest.
Yes.
Ernest.
Yes. His words were as soothing as a heavenly song, but only as useful as a vague dream.
Poet.
The poet.
Poet.
Yes, yes,
The
yes.
poet.
His thoughts were worthy.
Honest.
The poet.
Poet.
The poet.
Both.
Poet.
Sir, both, sir.
Both. Thoughts तो दोनों के अच्छे थे.
Yes, sir.
तो यहाँ पे तो both होना चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
Whatever he said was truth itself.
Honest.
Honest.
Ernest.
Okay.
Honest.
His poems were noble.
Poet.
Poet.
It's a poet.
His life was nobler than all the poems.
Ernest.
Sir, Ernest.
Okay. He lacked faith in his own thoughts.
The poet.
Poet.
The poet.
Yes, correct. His thoughts had power as they agreed with the life he lived.
Honest.
Honest.
Ernest.
Yes. Greatness lies in truth. Truth is best expressed in one's actions. He was
Honest.
truthful, but he
Honest.
was great.
Honest.
Correct.
Ernest.
Correct. Who by common consent turned out to be like the great stone face?
Honest.
Honest.
Okay.
Honest turned out.
Did Ernest believe that the old prophecy had come true?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
What did he say about it?
So Ernest still was not convinced that the old prophecy had come true, sir. So he hoped that
Yes, sir.
someday a man wiser and nobler than him would came.
Okay, yes. Now mark the meaning that best fits the word or a phrase in the story. Going down, becoming smaller, weakening or setting.
Setting.
It is about sun. Setting. Brightening, making it look bright and cheerful, lending it a special glow, causing it to appear.
Landing. Sir, landing.
Landing.
Special glow.
Landing. Special.
आपको ये
The
देखना
landing
होगा
with
कि
the-
where has this word appeared, because है ना, ये जो तीनों फ्रेजेस यहाँ पे हैं, दीज आर सुटेबल फॉर द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड, बट हमें ये देखना होगा कि इस स्टोरी में जहाँ पे ये वर्ड अपीयर हुआ है वहां पे वो किस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में यूज हुआ है. इट सीम्स कि ये लैंडिंग इट अ स्पेशल ग्लो हो सकता है,
Yes, sir.
है ना,
Yes, sir.
पर आप एक बार उसके साथ कॉन्टेक्स्ट में रख के आपको ये मीनिंग वहां पे रख के देखना होगा जहाँ पे ये वर्ड आया था. ओके, स्पेशियस, लोनली एंड वाइल्ड, बिग एंड वाइड, special and important.
Sir, big and
Big and
Sir,
wide.
big and
Big
wide.
and wide. Big and wide. Big and wide.
अरे बहुत सारे हैं. गुड. प्रोफेसी, प्रोवर्ब, प्रिडिक्शन, रूमर.
Prediction.
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 मार्वेलस, वंडरफुल, सरप्राइजिंग,
Wonderful. Sir, wonderful.
Shocking.
Wonderful.
Wonderful.
वंडरफुल. प्रोक्लेम, रिवील, डिक्लेयर, शाउट.
Declare.
Declare.
Clear.
Declare.
Clear.
सीज,
Stop.
Stop.
यस. अ नाइट्स शेल्टर,
Sir,
Stay.
Stay. Sir, stay.
stay. Gazed, wandered about, stared at, thought of.
Sir, stared at.
Stayed at.
Sir,
Stared
stared
at.
at.
Yes. Took on an expression, challenged,
Assumed.
resembled,
Assumed.
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 Okay. Read the following sentences. I do hope I'll live to see him. I will live to see him. He will come. Fear not, Ernest. The man will come. Gather gold is arriving tomorrow, people said. Blood and thunder starts his journey back to the valley next week, everyone proclaimed. The great man is going to spend his old age in his native town. Notice that in the above sentences, verbs in bold type are in 4 different forms, denoting 4 important ways of expressing future time. None of these can be said to be exclusively used to show future time, though each is used to refer to some action in future. That's a very good thing. Let us talk about it a little bit. Let me stop sharing. Arman Shivare, mute your mic. When you talk about some action in future, how do you say that?
So will. So by using will.
You use shall. Okay. You use shall. Okay. Is there any other way? चलो यहीं से शुरू करते हैं. How much time is left? We have 11 minutes. चलो.
So 11 minutes.
Yes. See. कल आप क्लास ज्वाइन करोगे, ठीक है? This is an action to be done in future, at some time in future.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So Raju is in the meeting.
ठीक है. अब आप देखो कि इस बात को आप कैसे बोल सकते हो.
Sir, I
आप
will
बोल
join
सकते
the meeting.
आप ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो. I will join
I
English
will
class.
join the meeting
आप
tomorrow.
ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो I shall join English class tomorrow. ठीक है. और इसके अलावा आपके पास कुछ और तरीके भी हैं, वो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. ठीक है. I am going to join English class tomorrow. ये गलत है क्या?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
अगर मैं बोलूँ I am joining English class tomorrow, ये गलत है?
No. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
नहीं.
Yes, sir.
चलो अभी हम बात करेंगे. This is also correct. ठीक है, अब अगर आप ये बोलो कि I join English class tomorrow at 11:10 a.m. Is it wrong or right? बताओ। नहीं बताना।
Sir, wrong.
These are all different ways of referring to a future time action. These are all different ways. But सबका एक अलग अलग यूजेज है, सबका एक अलग अलग पर्पस है। ये सब हम यूज करते हैं, जितने एक्सप्रेशंस मैंने अभी आपको बताए हैं ये हम सारे यूज करते हैं फॉर फ्यूचर टाइम रेफरेंस। कैसे करते हैं आप देख लो। चलो, हु इज द मोस्ट एक्साइटेड पर्सन इन योर क्लास?
Sir, Akhil.
Akhil.
अखिल, वेयर इज ही?
He left the
left.
meeting.
Sir, he left the meeting.
अच्छा, उसको
he
भी
left
पता है
the
ना, 5 मिनट के लिए ज्वाइन कर लो, उसके बाद लीव कर दो, क्लास प्रेजेंट लग जाएगी।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He always
Yes,
do.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Sir, he
also
leaves the
follow the
meeting.
same plan.
10 to 15 minutes.
अच्छा, Raj Valmiki joins in the last 5 minutes, Akhil joins in the first 5 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
just for attendance. चलो ठीक है। तो because Akhil is not there in the class, who is the next most excited person in your class? After Akhil, जल्दी बताओ, टाइम कम है। कोई नहीं है क्या?
Sir, सर्वज्ञ.
सर्वज्ञ, ओके, चलो ठीक है। सर्वज्ञ, suppose Sarvagya's father has planned to take him for a nice tour to, which is your favorite place, Sarvagya?
Indore or New York.
Indore? इंदौर और
So he said New York.
न्यूयॉर्क, चलो ठीक है, न्यूयॉर्क। So his father has told him that he'll take him to New York in the summer vacation this year. अभी वो आके, who is Sarvagya's best friend?
Shahid.
चाहिद। वो चाहिद को आके बताता है कि हम लोग समर वेकेशन में न्यूयॉर्क जाएंगे। ये सेंटेंस बिल्कुल नॉर्मल सेंटेंस है,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है। अच्छा, दूसरे तरीके से वो ये कह सकता है चाहिद के पास आके नेक्स्ट डे, हम लोग इस समर वेकेशन में न्यूयॉर्क जाने वाले हैं।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
वो इसके पास आके ये भी कह सकता है कि हम इस समर वेकेशन में न्यूयॉर्क जा रहे हैं।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये सब है फ्यूचर एक्शन, लेकिन जा रहे हैं भी बोल दिया, विच अपीयर्स लाइक कंटिन्यूअस, है ना? ठीक है, तो इनमें डिफरेंस क्या है? इनका अलग अलग सेंस है क्या कुछ इन सेंटेंसेस का? हम जाएंगे,
No, sir.
हम जाने वाले हैं, हम जा रहे हैं, इनमें
Sir,
कोई डिफरेंस है क्या?
no, sir.
No, sir.
है,
Yes, sir.
है डिफरेंस। क्या डिफरेंस दिख रहा है बेटा, बताओ।
अभी इन्होंने कहा
Sir,
कि
not confirmed.
हाँ, यहाँ पे कंफर्मेशन वाला डिफरेंस दिख रहा है, थोड़ा थोड़ा दिख रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
ओके, अब सर्वज्ञ सेज I shall go to New York this summer vacation. मैं न्यूयॉर्क जाऊंगा. ये समझ में आ गया
Yes, sir.
सबको? जाऊंगा. मैं न्यूयॉर्क जाऊंगा. गए नहीं भी गए. ठीक है. अभी सर्वज्ञ आई शैल गो टू न्यूयॉर्क की बजाय ये बोलता है चाहित को कि आई विल गो टू न्यूयॉर्क, तो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस आ जाता है. क्या आ जाता है?
So ये कंफर्म है सर कि वो प्लान है
इसमें
कि
थोड़ा सा ज्यादा कन्विक्शन आ गया, इसमें थोड़ा सा ज्यादा कंफर्मेशन आ गया. ठीक है, जरूर जाऊंगा.
Yes, sir.
इंस्टेड ऑफ शेल इफ यू यूज विल.
Yes, sir.
रूल ये बोलता है कि आई के साथ में शैल यूज होना चाहिए, बट जब हम मॉडल्स पे आ जाते हैं, मॉडल ऑक्सिलरीज में, और अगर हम विल यूज कर लेते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ शैल, तो वो हो गया कि इट इज ऑलमोस्ट सर्टेन. ठीक है, चलो ये तो हो गई एक बात. जब हम शैल के साथ यूज कर रहे थे तो जाएंगे, अब जाएंगे नहीं भी जाए, हो सकता है कोई जाएंगे, सोचा है, मतलब एक आइडिया है. ठीक है. अब वो दूसरी बात ये भी बोल सकता है कि वी आर गोइंग टू विजिट न्यूयॉर्क इन दिस समर वेकेशन. वी आर गोइंग टू विजिट न्यूयॉर्क इन दिस समर वेकेशन. हम इस समर वेकेशन में न्यूयॉर्क जाने वाले हैं. वी आर गोइंग टू विजिट. ये क्या हो गया?
So
इसमें क्या डिफरेंस आ
तो
गया
ये
शैल में और इसमें? शैल में जो था वो सिर्फ एक आइडिया था कि जाएंगे. यहाँ पे जब हमने इस तरीके से बोला, मतलब क्या हो गया?
सर वो जाने वाले समय वेकेशन.
प्लान्ड. इट
Sir,
इज
it-
प्लान्ड, है ना? इट इज प्लान्ड. वी आर गोइंग टू विजिट.
Yes, sir.
उसके बाद आप देखो कि अगर वो ये बोलता है सर्वज्ञ आके इसको कि वी आर विजिटिंग न्यूयॉर्क इन दिस समर वेकेशन, मतलब
They are going.
हम जा रहे हैं.
Yes.
मतलब
so it is confirmed that they are going.
प्लान्ड तो था ही था. अब क्या हो
अब वो
चुका
जा
है?
भी रहे हैं.
प्रिपरेशन भी हो चुकी है. ठीक है, प्रिपरेशन भी हो चुकी है. इट इज कंफर्म्ड कि हम जा ही रहे हैं.
Yes, sir.
डिफरेंस आएगा थोड़ा सा,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
है ना? अब तो हम जा ही रहे हैं, मतलब सब कंफर्म्ड है. जो भी उसके लिए प्रिपेयर करना था, जो भी प्रिपरेशन करनी थी, वो भी हो चुकी है. जो भी टिकट्स बुक करने थे या जो भी कुछ इनको करना था, उन्होंने ऑलरेडी कर लिया है. तो हम जा रहे हैं. इतनी सर्टेनिटी आ गई उसके अंदर. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
अब अगर वो ये बोल दे कि वी विजिट न्यूयॉर्क ऑन दिस डे एट दिस टाइम, तब ये हो गया कि इट इज शेड्यूल्ड.
Yes, sir.
ये इस तरीके के सेंटेंसेस में कम यूज होता है. ये ज्यादातर कहाँ पे यूज होता है? आपने देखा होगा कुछ कोई म्यूजियम है, कोई थिएटर है, एक्वेरियम है, या कोई ऐसी चीज है जहाँ पे आप लोग जाते हो, है ना? कोई आर्ट गैलरी है, तो वहाँ पे इस तरीके के नोटिस आपने कभी देखे होंगे कि द गैलरी या द म्यूजियम क्लोजेस एट 5 PM. आप गए, सुबह गए, दोपहर में गए, वहां पे लिखा हुआ है.
Yes, sir.
तो मतलब ये है कि शाम को 5 बजे ये बंद हो जाएगा, लेकिन इट क्लोजेस, वो प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस में लिखा हुआ है फॉर फ्यूचर टेंस. इसका मतलब ये है कि इट इज शेड्यूल्ड,
Yes, sir.
जहाँ पे टाइम फिक्स्ड है किसी एक्शन का इन फ्यूचर. ये चारों पांचों तरीके से आपको सेंटेंसेस क्लियर हो गए फॉर फ्यूचर
Yes, sir.
टाइम रेफरेंस.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इसमें किसी को कोई डाउट?
No, sir.
No, sir.
ये आपने जो अभी हमने टेक्स्ट बुक में वो पेज देखा था, वहां पे ये एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है, ठीक है। इसके बाद नीचे फिर कुछ एक एक्सरसाइज है दैट यू कैन डू इन द टेक्स्ट बुक इटसेल्फ। कैन यू डू?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
इट इज ऑलरेडी
Yes, sir.
11:50. आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस टू बी कंप्लीटेड बाय टुमारो। आप ये बची हुई एक्सरसाइज कल तक कंप्लीट करके मुझे बता देंगे, ओके?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Yes,
Yes, sir.
एंड इन दिस वे वी विल बी डन विद दिस बुक।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
है ना, ये जो भी एक्सरसाइज है आप कल कर लेना इसको कंप्लीट, और इसमें अगर आपको कुछ डाउट है तो प्लीज आस्क मी टुमारो, हम उसको क्लियर कर लेंगे एंड देन we'll decide what to do next. By the way, what are we to do next?
So fourth chapter of supplementary reader.
Which chapter?
So the treasure within.
The treasure within.
Sir, it is 4th chapter.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But for supplementary reader stories, we are going to have a quick discussion only.
Yes, sir. Sir, revise.
Yes,
ठीक है,
sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So tomorrow, after you tell me that you have completed this exercise and you don't have doubts, we'll start with that. ठीक है? So
Yes,
now
sir.
you can leave the class if you don't have any other question.
Sairam, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sairam, sir. Thank you,
Sairam
sir.
बेटा.
Sairam, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sairam sir,
Sairam,
thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
आपकी है ना?